Homelessness takes many forms. There's lots of reasons that contribute to homelessness. Job loss, eviction, can't pay rent, mental health, obviously drug addiction, affordable housing being one of the main contributors right now. They don't have many options. So we're approaching the Geraldine E. King Women's Resource Center. It's the first of 3 brand new state-of-the-art homeless resource centers. The model is more of a multifaceted, where we bring in those services on site directly to the doorsteps of the facilities, rather than just providing emergency shelter.
We have these new homeless resource centers that are really state-of-the-art and are also there to help people recover. And what we've been leading on is how you can go green with everything that you are doing in a community development project.
I knew that there was some tension in the past between the power company and the solar companies. And I thought, you know what, we can join together for good and make something significant happen.
Electricity usage is one of those things that we all need. It's kind of a basic human need anymore. All electricity costs the same amount of money. So if you're able to offset the need through rooftop solar, for example, funded by BlueSky programs, then those customers that are least able to pay have a little bit easier time.
Steve had a vision for this whole thing, and that was to come together with the power company, provide a great solution, and talk with Rocky Mountain Power and find a way to partner together. It is really a groundbreaking thing for us.
The solarias are awesome.
And that's those there?
This is the brand new REC, which is even going to be higher than our Solaria, which is 360 watts.
REC solar panels on here, so we have about 429 solar panels on this rooftop. These produce power every day. The building will actually pull and draw from that power, and it makes it so that the building will actually have to pull less power from the grid, which provides them savings and also provides clean energy right here on premises.
We're consuming, these facilities are anywhere from 200 to 300 bed facilities. So on a daily basis, you think about the amount of energy that's being produced and consumed by these facilities. This allows us to reinvest those dollars in a better way.
Just over $1 million. That's $1 million that can go to other areas of the organization, which is pretty powerful.
Just at this building?
Just at this building alone.
And the three buildings together will be how much?
About $4 million in savings over the next 30 years, and really the system should run and last, every bit of 40, if not going into 50 years.
This convergence with Rocky Mountain Power, the solar industry, and our homeless resource centers coming together in a very powerful way is really remarkable. In this case, what we're showing is we're bringing together these partnerships to help the least among us. And at the same time, we're improving air quality here in the state of Utah.
Everyone has to come together, and you can be a partner in solutions rather than complain about what's happening. We've seen it over and over with BlueSky partnerships and in the work we've been doing with the state and the county to help develop a new program for people experiencing homelessness.
I would love for the BlueSky program to expand and to increase its participation. When our customers give to the BlueSky program, they're not only helping other customers that want to be renewable themselves, but also funding larger community-based opportunities that I think are just terrific.
The voluntary contributors to BlueSky join with us. These are people that are thinking about renewable energy, willing to pay a little bit more for the community to breathe easier. Every one of those people that contribute to BlueSky have a portion of this.
Shelter of the Homeless couldn't do that alone. There's no way we would have the resources to put this type of project together without having BlueSky come to the table and offer their support and offer the resources necessary to make this happen. In order to help those individuals that are experiencing a crisis and get them back on the road to recovery, back on the road to housing, and back on the road to being a productive citizen in the community.